Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 4th of June 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.30%, settling the day at 38,571.03 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,828.63, rising 0.56%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,735.28 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,384.54. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,539, indicating a gap-up start for Indian market. FII bought 6,850.76 in the cash market in the last trading session. In a significant move, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has proposed to allow overseas rupee accounts to lend money to persons resident outside India. Also, the central bank proposed permitting opening of rupee account outside India by persons resident outside India, according to the annual report. SEBI launches Saarthi 2.0 mobile app on personal finance. Now talking about global aspects, the ISM manufacturing PMI unexpectedly edged lower to 48.7 in May 2024 from 49.2 in April, below forecasts of 49.6. The S&P Global US manufacturing PMI was revised higher to 51.3 in May 2024 from a preliminary of 50.9 and compared to 50 in April. WTI fell 1.2% at $76.99, while Brent were down 0.3% to $81.62 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.02. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.40%, up. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices surged to record highs, driven by exit polls projecting a third term for Modi's government. Both key indices achieved their best intraday gains, with Nifty jumping 3.25% to 23,263.90 and Sensex gaining 3.39% to 76,468.78. Broader indices, including mid-cap and small-cap, also recorded significant gains. All sectors remained positive, reflecting strong market sentiment despite the historically mixed accuracy of exit polls, as projections indicated a likely two-thirds majority for the ruling party. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, discussions regarding higher targets such as 24,000 should be approached cautiously until a breakout above the 23,400 level is confirmed. It's prudent to withhold speculation on reaching 24,000 until the Nifty demonstrates strength by surpassing the 23,400 mark. Notably, the Nifty encountered significant resistance at the 23,350 level, a barrier that had been anticipated over the past 3 weeks. 22,300 to 22,400 will act as an immediate support. The Bank Nifty has faced strong resistance near 51,000 level. A breakout above 51,000 can lead prices towards target of 52,000. The short-term support stands at 49,000, while immediate support likely to place at 50,200. Stocks on radar are Adani Power, GAIL, REC, Nazara, PFC. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.